Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing. There are many possibilities that WhatsApp contact name is not showing. For example, there may be only one contact or all the contact name are not showing. If you are having only for one contact, then there is solution, and also there is solution if your contacts are not showing any kind of name. Then there is also another solution. For example, if there is only a single contact that is not showing names on WhatsApp, that means you have not recently saved that person number on your contacts. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply save that person contact on your mobile device. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply refresh your contacts. And if you do not see but simply see a chat with number, then you have to simply refresh. How you can refresh? What you have to do, you have to simply click on that chat option available here, and here you can simply refresh your contact. And after refreshing your contact, that contact will be added to your chat, and no chat will be without the name. And if all the chats is not showing the name, then what you have to do, you have to check whether you have provided the contact permission to WhatsApp or not. Then how you can check that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold, and after that you have to simply click on app info. And in app info you have to simply go for permission, and here you can simply check for permission which are available as location permission and contacts permission. And here you can see I have already allowed. If you have not allowed the contact information, then there may be chances that your WhatsApp will not show you the names of your contact number. Instead, it will only show you the number of your chats on WhatsApp. In this way you can solve that problem. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, can you subscribe our channel?